learners, you're welcome to English with Dexter, and you're welcome to another lesson on grammatical names and functions. I have done a number of videos on grammatical names and functions, I think from lesson 1 to lesson 6, and I have received a number of comments and requests from my viewers to do more videos on grammatical names and functions in English. And so this will be lesson 7 on grammatical names and functions. Now what I do is that I give you a sentence, and within that sentence there will be an underline section, and then we try to identify the grammatical name and function of the underlined part of the sentence. So I'm going to teach you how to identify the grammatical name and function of the underlined part of the sentence. So our sentence today is the white car with the faulty brake lights has been towed. The white car with the faulty brake lights has been towed. Now the underlined part is with the faulty brake lights. So the question is, what is the grammatical name and function of the underlined expression? Now when you are confronted with a question like this, either in your SSC, WAEC or NECO, the first thing you should do is to find out if the underlined expression is a phrase or a clause. Now you can only do this if you know what a phrase is and what a clause is. So what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that does not contain a finite verb. I repeat, a phrase refers to a group of words that does not contain a finite verb. Remember, a finite verb is a verb that agrees with a subject or works with a subject. Now, in this expression, you'll discover that there is no finite verb, or there is no verb at all, because in the underlying part of this expression, the first word there is with, and with is a preposition. And then we have the faulty brake lights is a noun phrase. The faulty brake lights is a noun phrase. And so there is no verb there at all. So automatically you know that the underlined expression is a phrase. If it had a finite verb, it would be a clause, because a clause refers to a group of words that has a finite verb. So if it had a finite verb, it would have been a clause, but it does not have a verb at all. And so the underlined expression in this particular sentence is a phrase, because it does not contain a finite verb, or it does not contain a verb at all. So that's the first thing you do. So now that we know that in this sentence the underlined expression is a phrase, the next thing you do is to find out what type of phrase is the underlined expression. Now we have different types of phrases. We have noun phrases, we have adjectival phrases, we have adverbial phrases. So we're going to find out what type of phrase is the underlined expression here. Now, the best way you can do this is by trying saying the entire sentence, the whole sentence from the beginning, without the underlined part. So you try saying the entire expression without the underlined part. So I'm going to blur the underlined part here. I'm going to blur it, okay? And then we're going to read out the sentence without the underlined part, okay? So now let's read out the sentence together without the underlined part. It says, the white car has been towed. The white car has been towed. Now you can see that this makes complete sense. The sentence is complete as it is now without the underlined part. So that means that the underlined part is only providing additional information because the sentence is complete without it. So it's only providing additional information about a particular element in the sentence. So what element in this sentence is the underlying part providing additional information on? If you look at it, it says the white car has been towed. Now I can ask you, which white car has been towed? There are so many white cars out there. So which particular white car has been towed? Which exact white car has been towed? Which specific white car has been towed? Can you describe the precise white car that has been towed with the faulty brake lights? So, with the faulty brake lights is qualifying the white car. It's providing additional information about the white car. It is telling you the specific, the precise, the exact white car that has been towed. Remember, in English, adjectives refers to words that provide additional information about nouns or pronouns. Now, the white car is a noun phrase. The white car is a noun phrase. So the underlying expression with the faulty brake light is qualifying the noun phrase the white car because it is providing additional information about the noun phrase the white car. And so it is correct to call the underlying expression an adjectival phrase. It is an adjectival phrase because it behaves like an adjective, which is qualifying a noun phrase. And that is why it can be referred to as an adjectival phrase. Remember, it is a phrase because it does not contain a finite verb, and it is an adjectival phrase because it qualifies the noun phrase the white car, just like adjectives do. Adjectives qualify nouns or pronouns. So in this context, with the faulty brake light is qualifying the noun phrase the white car by providing additional information about the white car to tell you the specific, the precise, or the exact white car that has been towed. And so, the grammatical name of the underlying expression is adjectival phrase. Now, the next part is what is its function? That's very simple. You simply just say it functions to qualify the noun phrase the white car. As simple as that. It functions to qualify the noun phrase the white car. So the grammatical name is adjectival phrase, and the function is it functions to qualify the noun phrase the white car. That is how you answer such questions in SSC, WAEC, or NECO. Thank you for being there. If you have questions, please drop them in the comments and I'll answer your questions. Don't forget to like this video and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye bye.